Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to enable remind me to take a break on YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to enable the remind me to take a break function on YouTube, first open up your YouTube app on your phone, and on this interface guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the U button available for us just beside the subscription. Tap on the U button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and when this appears guys interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the gear or the settings icon available for us at the top right. Tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen, and when you land on this interface at the top of the list, you can see the general option available for us. Tap on the general option at the top, and at the first option guys, here it says the remind me to take a break option. Now in order to enable it, tap on the toggle icon on the right side of it, and then this kind of reminder frequency timer will come, so determining when do you want the YouTube to give a warning to take a break. Adjust your timer, for example maybe 2 hours, and then tap on OK. And after doing that guys, on every 2 hours YouTube will remind you to take a break on YouTube. And with that being said guys, this is how to enable remind me to take a break on YouTube function. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.